Hello everyone, I'm a representative of Rising Biotechnology Limited Company, China. Our company is a high-tech enterprise dedicated to the research and development and production of natural lutein and capsanthin. Our products have been widely used in the food, feed, and pharmaceutical industries. Today, I will focus on explaining the application of our corn products, 10% lutein hyper yellow and 5% capsanthin hyper red in the feed industry. Part 1. Sources of lutein and capsanthin. First, source of natural lutein. Our lutein is refined from marigold through advanced extraction techniques. Marigold is a plant rich in lutein esters, which are converted into free lutein through saponification. Our production process strictly adheres to international standards to ensure high purity and stability of the product. Second, source of capsanthin. Capsanthin is a natural pigment extracted from high-quality dried paprika. The product has a bright color, stable performance, and is rich in capsanthin and capsorubin, among other effective components. Part 2. Recommended dosage of 10% lutein and 5% capsanthin in feed. 1. Dosage for broiler chickens, 10% lutein. The recommended dosage is 400 to 500 gram per ton of feed. Continuous feeding for 28 days or more can significantly improve the yellow color of the skin and shanks of broiler chickens, enhancing the experience quality of the product. 5% capsanthin. The recommended dosage is 400 to 500 gram per ton of feed. Continuous feeding for 28 days or more can enhance the red color of the skin and fat of broiler chickens, improving the product's marketability. 2. Dosage for laying hens, 10% lutein. The recommended dosage is 150 to 350 gram per ton of feed. Continuous feeding for 7 days can significantly deepen the color of egg yolks, increasing the color value of the yolks. The color value stabilizes after about 10 days of feeding, reaching 11 to 12, meeting customers' preference for darker yolks. 5% capsanthin. The recommended dosage is 150 to 350 gram per ton of feed. Continuous feeding for 7 days can give egg yolks a more natural orange-red hue. The color stabilizes after about 10 days of feeding, with a color value of around 13, meeting the demands of major customers. 3. Dosage for aquaculture, 10% lutein. The recommended dosage is 500 to 1000 gram per ton of feed. Continuous feeding for 45 to 60 days can significantly improve the color of the skin and muscle of the fish, especially for salmon, trout, yellow catfish, and soft-shelled turtles. 5% capsanthin. The recommended dosage is 200 to 500 gram per ton of feed. Continuous feeding for 45 to 60 days can make ornamental fish more colorful, increasing their commercial value. 4. The effect will be more obvious if 10% lutein and 5% capsanthin are used in combination. Note: the specific dosage can be adjusted according to the breed, growth stage, and market demand. Part 3. Methods of adding 10% lutein and 5% capsanthin to feed. 1. Addition method for farmers. For small and medium-sized farms, we recommended the following addition methods. Pre-mixing. First, mix lutein or capsanthin with a small amount of feed, such as 1 to 2 kg evenly. Then gradually expand the mixing range and finally mix with all the feed. 2. Addition method for feed meals. Large-scale feed production enterprises can adopt more professional addition methods. Micro-ingredient system. Use an automatic batching system for precise measurement and direct addition to the mixer. Carrier pre-mixing. First, make a premix of the pigment and carrier such as zeolite silica, and then add it to the main production line. Part 4. Storage method. To ensure product quality and stability, please follow the following storage recommendations. Environmental requirements. Store in a cool, dry and well-ventilated warehouse. Avoid direct sunlight. Keep the temperature below 25 degrees. And the relative humidity no more than 65%. Packing integrity. Maintain the original packing sealed. Immediately tighten the bag after use. Keep away from substances with strong odors. Opened products. 24 months. Opened. It is recommended to use up within 6 months. Special precautions. Keep away from fire and heat sources. Avoid mixing with oxidants. Rising Company has always been driven by technical innovation and focused on product quality, providing customers with safe, efficient, and stable natural pigment solutions. Our 10% lutein and 5% capsanthin products not only meet the coloring needs of the feed industry, but also bring higher added value to the end products. We have a complete technical service system and can provide personalized application solutions and technical support based on customers' specific needs. We welcome feed production enterprises and farms to contact us and jointly explore the best application practices of natural pigments in the feed field. For the sake of human health, please choose safe and healthy plant-based extracted pigments. Thank you all for listening.